limited time only, from FIS and Anritsu, brings you the Fiber Optic Test Kit. FIS is providing a high-performance optical fiber OTDR kit featuring the Anritsu MT9090A, a compact handheld single-mode tri-wave OTDR. This OTDR has both traditional tray scan format and the Anritsu visualizer for technicians unfamiliar with interpreting OTDR event tray scans. Also, the MT9090A has a built-in power meter, making this a powerful troubleshooting tool for field engineers and technicians. This fiber optic test kit is listed for $7,800, but with this limited time sale, you can get it for $39.95. Here's what you'll get: the Anritsu MT9090A single-mode tri-wave OTDR with a built-in power meter, SC APC port adapter, 2 battery packs, 2 armored test reference patch cables with mating sleeve and a soft carry case. To purchase this fiber optic test kit featuring the Anritsu MT9090A OTDR, go to fiberinstrumentsales.com or contact your FIS representative at 1-800-500-0347.